If you are looking for honest, insightful, and reliable information on topics like natural health, holistic living, healthy lifestyle, home remedies, and step-by-step guides on how to live a healthier life, the Real Vibes TV YouTube channel is your online destination. For the latest health content, subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button below the video. Also click the bell icon to be notified when new videos are uploaded. 5 benefits to drinking water first thing in the morning. Drinking water on an empty stomach has numerous health benefits. Staying hydrated is beneficial to your skin, metabolism, and energy levels. There are even more advantages to drinking water on an empty stomach first thing in the morning. Drinking 16 ounces of water first thing in the morning can contribute to noticeable and welcome changes in your body. 5 reasons water should be your go-to morning drink. Increase your energy levels. Water increases the number of red blood cells in our bodies and the amount of oxygen we receive in our brains. The increase in oxygen will give you more alertness and energy, allowing you to get a good start to your day. By starting your day with water rather than coffee or tea, you are also protecting your stomach from acid buildup or reflux. It is advised to drink water before eating or drinking coffee.